Welcome back to Security Simplified. Last time we talked about PHP type juggling vulnerabilities and how they can lead to authentication bypass. Today, let's talk about how to prevent these vulnerabilities from happening as a PHP developer. First, you should use strict comparison operators. When comparing values, always try to use the type-safe comparison operator instead of the loose comparison operator equal. This will ensure that PHP does not type juggle, and the operation will only return true if the data types of the two variables also match. This means that this condition will return false, and this condition will return true. You should also specify the strict option for functions that do comparisons. Always consult the PHP manual on individual functions to check if they use loose comparison or type-safe comparison. See if there is any option to use strict comparison and specify that option in your code. For example, PHP's inArray functions, which checks if a value is in an array, uses loose comparison by default. But you can make it switch to type-safe comparison by specifying the strict equals true option. If the function only provides loose comparison, you can avoid using that function and search for alternatives instead. Finally, avoid typecasting right before comparing values, as this will essentially deliver the same result as type juggling. For example, before typecasting, the following three variables are seen as distinct by the type-safe operator. Whereas after typecasting, PHP will only preserve the number extracted from a string, and 7 string will become the integer 7. PHP is a great language that is flexible, convenient, and easy to get started with. But this flexibility came at a cost. There are many features of PHP that can lead to vulnerabilities if the developer is not careful. Type juggling is one of those features that have the potential to create critical vulnerabilities. So be extra careful when comparing values and always understand how your program is doing so. And that's it for today's security lesson. See you next time.